Hi everyone, welcome to the Baguette Invested channel for a new weekly update on the markets, and I want to present you what I have for you this week and also last week, but I think many of you have not seen it. I am publishing my trading journal every single week on my Discord. So in the description of this video, you will have a link to the Baguette Invested Discord called the Boulangerie, because I have no idea for the name. So I thought it would be a little fun, you know. And you will find my trading journal in this channel right there every single Monday. I will publish it when I will release the video today, as we are Monday. And now I'm not gonna detail every single part of my trading journal every week in the weekly videos. I will only post it on the Discord, and you will be able to review it as you wish, because I think it will be a little boring to see. Maybe I will do special updates on the Discord on my valuation, private videos. So if you're interested in private videos, private content, and the publishing of my trading journal every week, you can join the Discord with the link in the description. That said, we will start by the technical analysis of Bitcoin. I found this technical indicator right there, but I'm gonna remove it for the beginning of the video. So you remember last week we broke the triangle down. I thought we were supposed to start a new bear market. You remember we had this trend line right there. We broke it down. I shorted over there and saw we did not have the impulsion down to break the 30k region and then have a strong bearish movement. So I only made a little money on my shorts, but not much. It's very negligible, and got out of my shorts around there on altcoins. To get the way I think, you need to understand what's trend following. Trend following is the trading of trends. You try to follow the trend, the whole trend, and you enter when the trend is mature, and you exit when the trend is over. So as you can see, I put on the chart where I entered. So I entered over here on Bitcoin and sold over here on Bitcoin. And you might say, well, yeah, you sold here, but you might sell too early. It might have bounced and go up even more, or you might sell, go down, and then it might go up and you might not enter. This is not the point of trend following. Trend following is not here to catch tops and bottoms. It's here to get as much of the trend as you can with as little risk as you can. And the point of trend following is to exit before the huge drops. There are people who have huge balls who can handle these horrible candles. I don't know if you remember what happened here on Bitcoin and altcoins, but it was absolutely massive, 50 to 40% daily drop. Trend following is just here to get out when the trend starts and when the risk is too high. So you're not selling here because you think this will be the absolute top. You're selling here because the risk of holding this asset is no longer worth the money you are willing to lose. So you better take your profits. And there are people who trend follow the daily chart, and there are people who follow the 4-hour chart. There are people who follow the monthly chart. There are people who trend follow stocks, commodities, bonds, crypto, every single asset. It's a state of mind, a method of trading. So you might have a complete different strategy, complete different analysis of the market. What I see now is that we entered a correction movement, and now the question is this the end of the correction movement? I see this trend line right there on the 4-hour chart. You can clearly see it much better. I'm sorry, my computer is absolutely fucking shit and it's lagging like crazy. So I can't really draw anything. I'm just gonna try to present you. So you can see this trend line on the 4-hour. We broke above. So I longed Bitcoin. I bought Bitcoin, risking 1% of my capital. I'm going to show you the trade that I took. I'm going to go to my positions. This is my cryptocurrency position. This is my Bitcoin USDT chart on Binance, and you will see if TradingView wants to display it. This is my trade. I will exit my trade. I have my stop loss set below the previous low, and I will set my stop loss at break even if we close over my R1. This is risk management strategy. It's a little complicated. I don't want to go deep into the details in this video. I just want to show you what I'm doing. This is my trade, and please do not follow my trades. Do not copy my trades. Make your own decision. I am not responsible. If you take this trade, you fuck everything up, you lose all your money. I am not responsible for this. All right? You need to be skilled in order to operate on the financial markets. If you are not skilled, stay out and don't copy my trades. Please, this is not investment advice. I don't want to be responsible for any of your loss. Let's get to altcoins. I was a little long on Bitcoin, but I had things to say. Let's get to altcoins. This is the altcoin index. I'm saying that every week, but if you don't know what an index is, it's simply a pile of assets compiled to make a number. For example, famous indexes are the S&P 500, the Nasdaq 100, the CAC 40 in France. There are so many indexes in the world, and it tries to show the trend and the behavior of a whole market. So this tracks the biggest altcoins in the cryptocurrency space. And you can see that I got out of much of my altcoin positions around there before the big drop. I was very, very lucky on that. And now the index is in a range. And when things are in a range, as a trend follower, I always remember you that a trend following trader, I stay out of the market because there is no point taking a risk when you don't have the odds with you. So there you could look at the 4 hour, try to guess where things are heading. It's pointless to me. I'm just waiting for the decisive moment. So what is going to be the decisive moment in the trend following strategy? It's the breakout. So either the breakout down by the range and we enter a bear market, as you would imagine, and the breakout above, where this would mean we enter a bull market. So that's really it for me for the altcoin market. And it might sound very, very, very simple, but financial markets are very simple. What's complicated is not technical analysis. It's the management of risk, the discipline, and all this kind of stuff. It's absolutely not. Technical analysis for me is just drawing lines that a baby could draw. If you think technical analysis is complicated, don't worry. With time, you will get over it. I wanted to talk to you about the American stock market because some of you might be interested, and I don't know if you saw, but the S&P 500, the stock market of the United States, made a new all-time high. And you know, stocks are getting crazy right now. They're going up everywhere in the world. I believe in Asia things are very well oriented. In Europe we are having magnificent weeks of uptrend on stocks, and in the US it's the same. So we always have to be careful for a fake breakout, you know, and the thing going down and making a beautiful correction, because markets need to correct. Markets go down and then they go up again. But yeah, if you're in stocks, that's good for you. And if you're in crypto, you are waiting for the decisive moment in altcoins. And me, I decided to buy Bitcoin. So that's it for me. That's the views of the week I have. Next bull market on crypto, I'm buying a new computer because I am very sick of this old MacBook. Thank you so much for watching. Link for my Discord in the description below. Link for my trading journal in the description below. You will be able to download it if you go to my Discord. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for joining the Discord if you did. Goodbye and see you next week.